Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable Windows 10's hidden God mode. Let's see how to do this. God mode simply provides users with a centralized control panel for all of Windows settings. From changing your desktop background to settings up a VPN or partitioning your hard drive. In all, there are nearly 50 categories and most have several entries. It's almost comical how simple it is to access it. Simply create a new folder and rename that folder to hit enter. The default folder icon will change to a control panel icon and you can open it to view all of the settings. You can see there are over 50 categories of settings. From here you can change anything of your PC you can wish. That is how you can enable Windows 10's hidden God mode. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.